To get Gojo in a One Piece game, so AUT, follow these steps. Number one, join the game. Make sure that you have the game installed and that you're logged in. Now, number two, check your inventory. Okay. Gojo is a character that you can obtain through the game's Gacha system or as a drop. I'll leave everything I'm about to say in the description. Now, number three, Gacha system. You can use gems or spins to try to get Gojo from the character pool. All right, so make sure to save up enough gems. Number four, event drops. Sometimes Gojo might still be available during special events or limited time drops. Keep an eye out on the game announcements for these opportunities. All right, now also trade with other players. If you're having trouble getting Gojo, you can trade with other players who might have extra characters. Number six, level up. Okay. Focus on leveling up your character to improve your chances in battle and events where you might obtain Gojo. Now you got to stay patient and keep trying. You're going to increase your chances of getting Gojo in AUT. If you have a comment for anyone else that might be able to learn something from you, leave it in the comment section. If not, I don't know, put what you had for breakfast. Anyways, Jesus is Lord. Ciao.